Okay, this video is called MRI Metaphor for Eating Oil. And where this comes from is, one of the things I do, I'm a radiologist, neuroradiologist primarily, also interventional radiologist, imaging guided surgeon. And I mentioned it to you that, I look at these MRIs of the body, of the brain, the spine, the neck, the abdomen. And what I see is when you get IV contrast, so that's an injection in the vein, 5 milliliters. So 5 milliliters is a very small amount of intravenous contrast material for an MRI. It's called gadolinium. We usually call it gado for short. So 5 ml, that's it. 5 milliliters causes everything in the human body to light up. The brain, the neck, the heart, the liver, the kidneys, everything dramatically lights up, very bright, like a Christmas tree. Okay, with just 5 cc's of gadolinium. So why should you care? What's the point? Because that's what happens when you eat something like a cooking oil. 5 milliliters is a very small amount. You could easily have that much oil on whatever food you're eating. And the point is, it goes everywhere in the body. And what's happening is it'll cause little tiny amounts of damage in numerous different locations. Arterial endothelial cells, pancreas cells, potentially beta cells with omega-6 lipid peroxidation, like the research of Tetsumori Yamashima. I have other lectures on that. In brain cells, including hippocampus, hypothalamus with omega-6 oils and lipid peroxidation. Same thing, the research Tetsumori Yamashima. So the point is, you can't notice these minute amounts of damage happening all throughout the body with just 1 episode, 2 episodes, 3 episodes. And humans are not good at detecting and realizing things that are very small and gradual. We're good at detecting big, acute, sudden changes. So the point is, when a person's eating oils with their food, they're getting little bits of damage all throughout the body, or with other toxic foodstuffs. And the smart move is stop doing that, because this is a way to understand what's happening, and this is what I believe is actually happening. And seeing the minute amounts of gadolinium, the text write it on the film, how much the patient got, I realized the exact same concept of a tiny injected or eaten dose can cause widespread tissue damage, and eventually the brain will deteriorate, the patient compensates, and then they just lose it, and they're cognitively impaired and demented.